So the next tag that we are going to see is about horizontal tag. Okay. Horizontal tag means it is your horizontal ruler which is used to create or draw lines horizontally over the width of the browser. അതായത് browser ഇതുണ്ട്. See, I told you. That is the length, the width of your screen. So much itself your browser also occupies. So along the width of your browser, you can draw the line. So for that only you're using your horizontal ruler. So there are various attributes added along with this horizontal ruler. They are your size. Size specifies the thickness. Okay, size specifies the thickness of the line. Okay, the value should be given in pixels. The value should be given in pixels. Width means the length of the line. Width means the length of the line. So how much portion of your browser has to be used? For how much portion of your browser you need to draw the line? So normally the value here we will give it in percentage. Normally the value we'll give it in here in percentage. So on which part of the browser you want to align the line? Align it, align. So either it could be left, right or center where you wanted to align. Color means sets the color. So what color you would like to give? Either directly you can give the color typed over there, or you can use the hexadecimal code, or you can use the hexadecimal code. So here now you can see another attribute, no shade. That is the shade of the line you wanted to see or not. Okay. So this attribute does not have any value. Okay. There are some attributes in HTML tags which does not have a value. That attribute itself will act as a value. That attribute itself will act as a value. So no shade means that shade of that line will not be present over here. So now you can see the example over here. So HR is your tag. Width I have given it as percentages. Width I have given it in percent. That is 50% of the browser needs to be occupied. Size I have given it in pixels. Size I have given it in pixels, which means the thickness, which means the thickness. Align is equal to center. Alignment, in which position you wanted to align. Okay. And then the color of the line I have given as pink. The color of the line I have given as pink, and I gave it as no shade. And then whatever the content I wanted to type, I have typed over here, welcome to Bharat Mata. And then I have closed my tag. And then I have closed my tag. So this is how you will be using your HR tag. This is how you will be using your HR tag. Is this part clear now? So your horizontal ruler, your horizontal ruler. So the next few more tags we will see, and then we'll go on to work with an examples. Okay. The next, this is one example based on that. Next, we'll see some formatting tags. We'll see some formatting tags, and then we will move on to work with the notepad and see how it is seen on the browser. Okay. So formatting tags. So text formatting tags are used to format the contents on your browser. അതായത് browserൽ some contents are there. You just have to format those contents. അതായത് make it beautify. All these only we are using the formatting tags. So how those tags could be used? How those tags could be used? For that only here I'm giving you the explanations I'll give over here, and then we'll move on to work with examples. Okay. So B tag. One is B tag. So B tag means to make the contents bold. B tag means to make the text bold. There is also another tag in HTML which has got the same effect of B tag. There is also another tag in HTML which has got the same effect of B tag, that is known as your strong tag. That is known as your strong tag. So these two tags are used to bold the text. These two tags are used to bold the text. So how you will use the tag is, see the example. B tag, it will be put in your angular brackets. You will place the contents, any contents, paragraph anengilum no problem, okay. Any paragraph also can be placed, or in between a paragraph, some words alone if you want to make it as bold, some words alone if you want to make it as bold. For that also you can make use of this. Adellam namukku example lu kaanam, okay. Next, you will close that B tag. You will close that B tag. I told you the strong tag also has got the same effect. The strong tag also has got the same effect of your B tag. How to write the same way? Strong எழுதா, then put the contents, close the tag. So this is how your B tag will work. Okay. So this is an example how that output will be present. Okay. So the next one is your I tag or your EM tag, emphasis. Okay. I tag or your EM tag, which is known as your emphasis tag, which is used to italicize the text. Which is used to italicize the text. Italicize the text and it is slanting akka, okay. The contents will be slightly tilted, or a particular angle adu tilt aayittundavu, okay. So for that only we are using the I tag or EM tag. I tag or EM tag. All these are your container tags. All these are your container tags. See the way it is written. I tag எழுதும், content எழுதும், then you will close the I tag. Okay. Same way EM எழுதும், that is inside angular brackets, you'll place the contents, then you will close the tag. Then you will close the tag. So this is how you will be writing your tags. Is it clear? So the output also, sample output also I have given you. Is this part clear? Yes? Okay, the next one, a few more tags we'll see. The next in your text formatting tag is your strike tag. Strike means what? The strike through effect. Adayathu, you have written a content. On that content you wanted to cut off or strike off. Adinu vendiyanu you're using your S tag or strike tag. S tag or strike tag can be used for this. Okay. So see the way it is written. Yes tag, your content, എല്ലാത്തിലും ഇങ്ങനെ തന്നെയാണ് നമ്മൾ എഴുതുക. Especially container tags വരുമ്പോൾ wherever you wanted to use, you can use it accordingly. Then close the S tag, then strike. അല്ലെങ്കിൽ strike tag use ചെയ്യാം. Otherwise you can use the strike tag. Then welcome to Bharat Mata. What is the content you wanted to place? You can place. Then close the strike tag. Any way you wanted to do it, you can do it. Okay. So the effect will be seen over here. The effect will be seen over here like this. So the next is your big tag. The next is your big tag. Big tag nu parayanathu. Now suppose you are typing the contents. Or browser or particular size your contents will be placed. Okay. Browser has set a specific size for your font. Our size one size bigger, it will move up. Okay. One size, it will move up. That is, it will show one size little bit bigger. Okay. For that only you're using the big tag. For current size 4 anengil, for example, if the current size used is 4, when you move on to the browser, what happens is it will show the size with 5. It will show the size with 5. So for that only you're using the big tag. See the contents. Can you see the difference over here? that is welcome to Bharat Madan. ഇവിടെ ഇങ്ങനെ എഴുതിയിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ, so on the output you can see it little bit bigger in size. For that only you are using the big tag. Okay, the same way here you have one small tag. The same way here you will have one small tag. Small tag എന്തായിരിക്കും? അതിന്റെ opposite action will take place. The opposite action of your big tag will take place. What it could be? If a current size, if it is 4, it will show the size one size reduce. It will show one size reduce. അതായത് 4 ആണെങ്കിൽ അപ്പൊ 3 എന്നുള്ള സൈസിലാണ് it will be shown. So see the contents over here. Here how I have written it. ഇവിടെ ഇത്ര വലിയ size ഉണ്ട്. Now when you see the output, what is it? It is shown little bit smaller in size. Okay. So this is how your big and small will work. This is how your big and small will work. All these are quite easy ones. Okay. The next is your superscript, subscript. The next is your superscript and subscript. Superscript means what? That is raising the numbers as powers. Writing it as powers is known as your superscript. Subscript especially we'll use it in chemistry. That is the base എഴുതാനായിട്ട്, base of the numbers എഴുതാനായിട്ടാണ് we'll be using the subscript. So for example, if I wanted to write the equation x squared plus y squared എന്നുള്ളത്, if I wanted to write, see the way how I write. X I have written, then I have used the superscript tag sup എന്നുള്ളത് മാത്രമാണ്. Okay, I have given the value and then I have closed the superscript tag. Then plus y I have written, I want to write it as y squared, so I have used the superscript tag sup. The value I have given, I have closed my superscript tag. So now I'll get the output as x squared plus y squared. All these kind of questions you will get it for 2 marks. Okay, subscriptum superscriptum enda ennalladokka they'll give you a question like this, x squared plus y squared. Write the similar suitable tags for it ennalladana you will be getting the question. So you have to write out like this. Then the next is your sub tag. Sub means subscript. അതായത് ബേസ് ഓഫ് ദ നമ്പർ എഴുതാൻ, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ കെമിസ്ട്രിയിൽ when you go to chemistry you will be having your equations and formulas, chemical formulas ഒക്കെ ഉണ്ടാവും. So അതിൽ you have to write the base of that element. You should write the base of that element, how many number of molecules or whatever it is. Okay, you have to write the base of that element. So how to write H2SO4? So H I have written, so it has got the subscript value as 2. So that I'll write it using the subscript tag. Then 2 I will give and then I'll close sub and then I'll close sub. Then S and O I will write. O I wanted to give 4 as the base value. What I'll do is sub എഴുതും, 4 കൊടുക്കും, then again I'll close that sub. So like this you will get the output as H2SO4. So this also will be asked as a 2 mark question. That is H2SO4 and you will get it in your question paper. Write the required tags to see the contents like this on your browser and you will get a question. So you have to write it suitably like this. Then the next is your block quote or Q tab. Then the next is your block quote in the way how it is written, you see, without a gap in between. Block quote is a single word. So this is used to indent the contents enclosed. അതായത് ഒരു quotes വരുന്ന തക്ക രീതിയിൽ എഴുതാനായിട്ടാണ് we are using the block quotes to indent short quotations that does not require paragraph or breaks. അതായത് പാരഗ്രാഫും വേണ്ട, ബ്രേക്കും വേണ്ട, അതിനെ കുറച്ച് ഒരു എന്താ പറയാ, you can move away from the end of the browser. To move away from the ends of the browser and place the contents, for that only you will be using the block quote. Tag. One tag I left off here, that is your underline tag. So that I'll just show you here. Underline tag. So your U tag is known as your underline tag. open angular bracket, U I will write. I'll close the angular bracket. I'll write as welcome to Bharat Mada, welcome to Mada, I'll write, and then I will close my U tag. This is how I'll be writing it. This is how I'll be writing it. I'll show you the outputs on the screen. Okay. I'll show you the outputs on the screen. So these are the various text formatting tags. So based on all these, I'll send the homeworks. Please do it. Okay. So I'll show you the outputs. We'll work out some examples over here. Okay. So HR tag we have to do. So how I'll do is HR size equal to 10 I will give in double quotes. Then there is no need to give a comma and all to separate. Okay. Just a single space will do. Just a single space will do. Width, width, spellings should be correct. Width is equal to 30%. 30%. And then align, ALIGN, align is equal to center, CENTER is a spelling. Then color, COLOR is a spelling, equal to black I'll give because CK, already it is cyan in color. So if I give as aqua, you will not be able to see black. So with this, my tags and attributes are over. I'm closing the angular bracket. I'm closing the angular bracket. I'll give as welcome to Bharat Mada. And then I'll close the HR tag. I'll close the HR tag. Okay. So HR is the tag. Size I have given it as 10. Width I have given it as 30%. Align is equal to center. Color is equal to black. And then I close my angular brackets. I have closed my angular brackets. The next line I have come. Sorry, for you to see it quickly and easily, I have given it in the next line. So welcome to Bharat Mada. I have given. I have closed my HR tag also. I'll save this. I'll come over to the browser. I'll refresh it. It's working. Just a minute. It's working. Just a minute. So can you see? Now what happens? Ivada korchu problems has happened. Why is it? Why is it? Welcome to Bharat Mada nu koduthathu, but where is the line placed? Where is the line placed? Can you see? It is placed above and the content is placed here. Is it clear? Appo idellam nammal korchu you have to think it wisely and do the corrections. You have to think it wisely and do the corrections. Appo contents okke place cheyyumbo you have to do it in proper order. Appo ee align is equal to center nu param if I give it as align is equal to left allengil otherwise what I can do is even I can use the center tag. You have to think like this and do center. Okay. And then place this. CENTER. Sorry, close chain there. Close it. And all these you have to do it. ഇതൊക്കെ ഇത്രയും think ചെയ്ത് ചെയ്യേണ്ട കാര്യങ്ങളാണ് ട്ടോ. Is it clear? അത് കുറച്ചും കൂടി think ചെയ്ത് you have to place the line spacings correctly. So you will get it. So did you understand? Horizontal. So line size 10 means it means the thickness. Width is 30% of your browser will be occupied. Align means to center it. And color I have given it as black. So is this part clear? The next what we saw was various formatting tags. Various formatting tags. So various formatting tags, I'll come and show you here itself. Okay. I told you any, okay, simple ways we'll see and then we'll go on. Okay. So first, so the first one is B tag, please. First one is B tag. B tag. First we'll see that. So B is for bold. B is for bold. So I can type it over here as Bharadamada. So what happens? And then I'll close that B tag. Okay. I'll give a break also for you to see it very clearly. And then I'll type I tag also. Okay. I class 12 12B. So this I'll close the I tag over here. No problem whether you mix uppercase or lowercase. Okay. There is no harm in it. Then I'll give a BR tag. BR tag. Then the next is I'll give underline tag. Underline. What to underline? Computer science. So I'll close the underline tag. These tags effect you please see. And then we'll move on to the next. So whatever changes I make in my program, I should save my program then and there. I should save my program then and there. Come to the browser, refresh it. Can you see the effect? See, Bharat Mother, in a simple letter I have given, here it has become as bold. Can you see the difference? Can you see the difference? Bharat Mother, in a simple B tag I have given, here it has come as bold. Can you see? The next 12B, I have given it a simple way. Here it has come out as italics. Italics side kando. It's slightly tilted. Computer science, I gave it over here and it has come out as underlined. So this is how the effects of the tag will be seen. What you have to be very careful is, you should be very careful with the spellings, the openings and closings of your tag. The openings and closings of your tag, you should be very careful. Is this part clear? Any or subscript tag, superscript tag, okay, that also will write off. So the next line I'll come. What I'll do is I want to write it as x squared plus y squared. So x I will write, then sub I will write, superscript sup I will write, then 2 I will write, plus, close the superscript, then plus y I will give, then again open the superscript, then give the value as 2 and then slash, that is close the superscript. Okay. So then here also I will move on to subscript also and then parallelly we'll see the output. Okay. BR. Next H2SO4. So H I will write. I want that as base 2. So sub I will write. Then 2 I will give. I'll close the sub. Okay. SO4. So SO I'll give 4 as to the base. So sub I will write. Then I'll give the value as 4. Then I'll close sub over here. Is it clear? So next, after making any changes in my program, I'll save my file. Just press Ctrl S and go. That should be the habit developed. Okay. Then come to the browser. Just refresh the browser. Can you see? Can you see?
Yes.
That is, see, here I have used the superscript tags. So that effect is seen over here. Here I have used my subscript tags also. So I can see the effect over here. Is this part clear? Appa subscriptum superscriptum use manasilayo? Is this clear? Yes. Now I have shown you the various formatting tags. So bold ന്റെ effect തന്നെയാണ് strong കൊടുക്കുമ്പോഴും I ന്റെ effect തന്നെയാണ് emphasis em tag കൊടുക്കുമ്പോഴും. The same effect only will be seen. Okay, you just work out in your systems and see. Is it clear? The next one thing I'll tell off and I'll wind off. You can also nest the tags. Nesting means what? Nesting means what? Placing one tag inside another tag is known as your nesting of your tags. Okay. So I'll just show you one example and then we'll wind up. So here H2SO4, how you have seen this effect you have seen over here. The same thing. 1 minute. I'll show you with a slightly different effect. Okay. Control C. I'll do over here. What I'll do is I'll make this for strong tag strong, strong. Okay. Then if I want to italicize, I can give it as em kodukkan. Okay. Em tag I have given. Okay. Here I'll do what I'll do is close the em tag first. Okay, close the em tag first, then close the strong tag, then close the strong tag, close the strong tag. Appo inganeyana you have to nest the tags. Okay, this is how you will be nesting the tags. You can see it over here. Oro night I'll show you. So strong LD, em LD. So while closing, which one did I close first? While closing, which one did I close first? I close the em tag. Edano last open cheyidacha, that should be the tag which I should close first. Em LD. Appo em first I have closed. Then only I have closed my strong tag. So I told you the same effects will be seen. I'll save my program. I'll come over here. Can you see? It is bold and italicized. Kando. H2SO4 in the previous line was simple. Okay, a regular font size. Here I have told it to strong. Strong in the I told you it is for bold also. Next, EM means for emphasize, that is italicize. So both the actions has taken place. Can you see? So these are the various text formatting tags available in HTML. Is it clear?